So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys my story on how I managed to make over $5,000 in 30 days on Robinhood. Now in this video, guys, I'm going to break down my investing strategy as well as at the end reveal the 5 most profitable companies that I invested in that really allowed me to make a lot of money investing in the stock market. Now what I did, guys, is I made over $5,000 without going to a job, basically making passive income, allowing me to make money while I travel, live on the beach, and more importantly, allow me to build wealth in my life at age 22. Now, basically, I want to share with you guys my strategy, how I'm doing this, and more importantly, give you guys the steps for you to get on the same track as well, for you to use Robinhood to start making money, and more importantly, how anyone can start investing money for the future to start building wealth for themselves. So, guys, jumping into this video, before we even get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you're missing out, as well as make sure you smash this thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. So the first thing I want to jump into in this video is, Peter, how can you make money investing in Robinhood? What did you do? You had to be selling options. You had to be selling on day trading on Robinhood. What did you do? And the first thing I want to break down is my strategy on how I was able to make money investing in Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is the platform which will allow you to buy and sell stocks. And what you do on this platform is really going to allow you to determine if you're going to make money or lose money. So the first thing I want to address is my strategy. For me, I am a long-term investor. So basically, I'm not buying and selling stocks. I'm holding these stocks for the future, investing a lot of money as much as I can, saving money, investing for my future self, and I'm letting appreciation and compounding interest build wealth and to make money for my future self. Now, what is compounding interest? Compounding interest is truly the ingredient for wealth. This will allow you to grow your money over time. Now, the reason that I wanted to share with you guys this video and how I'm using Robinhood to build wealth for myself is because the banks are not making you money. Now, most people get a job, they go ahead and put their money that they made into the bank account, but the problem is with the bank, and something that I refuse to do, is put all my money into a bank because you are not getting any return on your investment. Basically, with how low interest rates are in banks means that your money in the savings account is not making you money. So why would you even put it in there? For me, it's security, but also what I did is I started to invest my money in Robinhood. So guys, I'm going to stop talking real quick and break into the computer to share with you guys the proof on how I made over $5,000 in 30 days in 1 month on Robinhood. So let's jump into the computer here real quick and give you guys the numbers. So guys, right here is my personal Robinhood brokerage account. As you can see on the right, we have Starbucks, Facebook, Netflix, and more importantly, just a line of stocks that I own. But right here, as you can see, we're up over $24,000 in my portfolio. But here is the kicker, and here is what this video is about. As you can see here, we're going to click on 1 month. And right here, as you can see, in the past month, I am up over $5,400 in my brokerage account. This is exactly how I made money investing in Robinhood. Like I said, guys, in the end, I'm going to break down a few of my favorite stocks. But as you can see, my portfolio is sitting a little over $66,000 currently invested in the stock market. Now, guys, what I want to share with you is how I was able to make $5,000 investing in the stock market on Robinhood. What did you do, Peter, and how can you do this as well? Now, for me, you have to start somewhere. You have to start saving your money, and it's exactly what I did. Every paycheck through my businesses, as I make money, well, guess what? Like I said earlier, I am not putting into the banks. I am putting into a Robinhood account, and through this Robinhood account, I have buying power, which allows me to purchase stocks, purchase companies that will compound, that will grow. As these companies that I will share with you guys in a second, on the right, Starbucks, Facebook, Netflix, all these companies are contributing to my growth of wealth, and they're making me money. As these companies perform well, like I talked about, my strategy is to buy companies, to hold them for the long term, and over this time, their stock prices will accumulate and go up. This accumulation process, when companies make more money, when companies start performing well, when companies start attracting more investors, well, guess what? Your investment will become fruitful. As you invest in these companies, more people will begin to invest. These companies will perform well, which means their stock price will go up. And this appreciation in their stock value or price is exactly how I am making money in my portfolio. Now, you might say, Peter, $66,000 at 22, I can't do this. There's no way that I can. How am I going to do the same thing? Well, if you have $100, $1,000, or $100,000, you can start allocating your money into the stock market. Now, the reason that the stock market is very important is because the stock market right here, guys, this is a vehicle for you to make money with your money. This is an opportunity for you to put your money in a position to grow. Like I said, banks, putting your money underneath your pillow, going out there and just saving money, saving money, saving money. It is not truly growing for you. So for me, guys, to make over $5,000 this month on Robinhood was my continual ability to save, invest in the stock market, learn about companies I want to invest in, and start deploying my money and believing in these companies. Now, over time, these companies will fluctuate. There are some times in my portfolio, as you can see here, over time, we're not really making much money, 2,000, 3,000, but over time, guys, the stock market will perform well. And what I am betting my money on, what I am putting my money into is these companies will continue to form. Economics will continue to grow, which means that at the end of the day, my investment at age 22, every dollar that I'm investing is hopefully making more money than it would sitting in my hand, because cash is dead. You need to start deploying this money and, more importantly, putting it to use for you to start making more money, whether if you're investing in Robinhood or any brokerage account. The stock market is a vehicle for you to start building wealth in your life. So now, guys, I want to jump back into my computer to break down 5 companies that I truly love and 5 companies that have contributed to this growth that allow me to make over $5,000 this month in the stock market. Now, the beauty of investing in the stock market is that I can continue to work. I can continue to grow my business. I can go out there and allocate my time to go out there and make more money while investing my money in the stock market. It is accumulating and making more money every day. The earlier you can invest in the stock market, the more ability for you to have compound growth, which is truly going to build you wealth in your life. As Grant Cardone says, for you to really build wealth in your life, you have to find a way to make money while you sleep. And guess what? The stock market is a vehicle that will allow your money to grow and basically do that. So jumping into my portfolio here, guys, I want to reveal 5 companies that just really allow me to have great growth in my personal portfolio. And as you can see, in the last month, make over $5,000. So the first company I'm going to jump directly into here as we're scrolling together is Tesla. And right now, one share of Tesla is going for $677.40 to own one share of Tesla. Now, the reason that Tesla has contributed to the success is, as you can see here, right now, I have a little over $10,000 invested in my market value in Tesla. But even better, my total return on this investment is over $9,500. I am up over 727% investing in Tesla with an average cost per share at $81 per share. So Tesla has made me some great money, which continues to grow, which continues to, I continue to invest in Tesla, and more importantly, is a great company that I invested in early on that I believed in, that has led to a lot of success. Now, the second stock that has really been fruitful for me and allowed me to contribute to the success as well into my own portfolio is right here, PayPal. Now, PayPal is trading at $290 per share. I think PayPal is an absolute smasher. I'm continuing, and I recently just invested more money into PayPal. But as you can see, my total investment, or my market value in PayPal, is a little over $3,192 with an average or a total return of my investment around $1,700. I'm up over 170% in PayPal, a great company. And all these companies, like I talk about, all the appreciation, all the continual growth, all the performance allows them to drive their stock price up when I'm investing over months and years and years and years. Well, guess what? These companies' values are going to continue to grow, and I'm going to own them at a discount, which means that as they grow, I am making more money. And it's a great way for me and you to start building wealth in your life. So PayPal coming in at number 2. Now, the third stock that has led me to have some great growth in my personal portfolio is right here, is Apple. Right now trading at $139 per share. Now, I want to be honest with you guys, I have not purchased more shares of Apple. I purchased Apple when I first began investing around 3 to 4 years ago, and not really excited about Apple's long-term growth. They're going through a lot of things. The tech market is going under a lot of turmoil and litigation, but hey, Apple is a great company, and I think a great beginner stock for a lot of people. So right now, as you can see, I have a little over $3,500 right here invested in Apple with a total return of over $2,000, up over 165% investing in Apple. So right now, I'm doing very well with Apple after their split. I've continued to kind of just keep my eye on Apple. But as you can see, over the past year, they're up around 51%. And over the past 5 years, this is the appreciation that I'm talking about. Their stock continues to grow, which means as investors, as me, and as you, we are able to make money, collect this appreciation, and build wealth for ourselves. So within the past 5 years, they're up 486%. You are never going to get 486% investing your money in the bank account underneath your pillow, and this is exactly why I put my money into the stock market. Now, the fourth company, guys, is a company that we all probably use weekly, daily. We're all addicted to it, and we all love Amazon right here. Amazon is trading at $3,511. You might think, Peter, this is so expensive, I can't buy Amazon, but you can buy fractional shares, which allows you to just start investing whatever money you have into the company. Now, as you can see right here, Amazon in the past year is up over 19%. But here's kind of where my value is with Amazon. So right now I have $8,000 invested in Amazon. I am a believer. I'm a long-term shareholder. And I just think Amazon is going to continue to dominate, which allows me to invest my money and believe in them in the future. And this company has contributed to my success in my portfolio with a total return of a little over $2,000 right now. I'm up around 32% on my total return investing in Amazon. 13% of my portfolio is invested in Amazon, not super diversified, but I believe Amazon is a great company and something that I will continue to believe in and has allowed me to start building wealth with my portfolio. Now, lastly, coming in at number 5 is a company that you might have used to go to school, go to a meeting, and more importantly, one of my most favorite companies right now, and that is Zoom. Zoom continues to outperform the market. They have great leadership and they continue to outperform the quarterly earnings. I was put on by a friend's dad. He said, go check out this company, and I wish I put a lot more money in Zoom, but right now I have a little over $2,000 invested in Zoom with a total return around $992, give or take $1,000 investing or growth in Zoom. So guys, there's the 5 companies that I believe in, the 5 companies that really allowed me to build wealth in my personal portfolio at age 22, guys. The ability to invest your money in a position that over time, these companies will perform. Hopefully you're making great and safe bets. You're understanding these companies and you're thinking long-term is exactly how I view myself as an investor, holding for the long-term, investing as much money as you can, saving every dollar to deploy into the stock market, into this vehicle. Then as these companies perform, well, guess what? Appreciation will accumulate your wealth and allow you to make money investing in the stock market. So that's my strategy. And over this time, continue to put money into it, continue to put money, continue to not go blow money, continue to start investing for my future self has finally led me to a point where right now I can sit back and say, hey, in the month of June, I made $5,000 for my efforts, my determination to stay focused, and more importantly, to think about my future, guys. This all comes down to making sacrifices, willing to deploy your money, and more importantly, going out there and doing things that are difficult with your money that you know you should be doing that will allow you to start building wealth in your life. So guys, if you want more of this content, if you want more, and more importantly, if I can help you in any way to start your journey investing, if you want some tips, tricks, or whatever I can do to help you, please hit me up below. I am here. I built this channel for us. More importantly, guys, stick along, subscribe if you can, and like this video for more, and leave a comment below. More entrepreneurial tips, more finance, more development, guys. We're doing this all together. We're breaking down how we can start building wealth, how we can start changing our lives, and how we can start becoming winners, both in our personal, financial lives, whatever you're tackling. Let's do this together. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We have another YouTube video coming out tomorrow, but I can't wait to hear from you guys. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited about the community that we're building here on YouTube, and just I hope you guys have the best night ever and the best week ever. Go out there, start investing. Go out there, understand, learn, and get educated about the stock market, and more importantly, start doing what you can to start building wealth for your future. You guys have the best night ever. Again, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.